Hello children, how are you all? Did you all complete your periodic assessment? Did you all made your papers, answer sheets with marks? How was the paper? Was it easy? Hmm. Okay. I'm waiting to see all your marks. Okay. So now let's continue with lesson 8. Book exercise we were discussing. Along with that, grammar we left. So we'll continue with that. We'll start that today. I've just given you the book exercise. So that is lesson number 8. We saved a whale lesson, and there we have discussed all this in page number 102. Tick the choice which is not correct. We have already done this. This fourth one is the not correct, so we have put a tick over it. They fed the whale calf good food, so they did not feed anything for the whale calf, so that we have put a tick over there. So that is the wrong sentence, so we have put the tick on it. And next one, this is the sequence. We'll have to arrange it in order. So in this also we discussed in the online class. So that is, I have marked it. Please check your answers with this from 1 to 9. Okay. And next is the parts of the body of a whale. They have given you. You will have to take it and write in the correct places. So the first one will be eyes, then blowhole, then fluke. That is the tail. We say fluke. Then it is a fin on top of it. Then 2 flippers. Yes, this also you check your answers, if it is right or what. Then today, coming to today's topic, that is grammar preposition. First, preposition. What do you mean by preposition? And also we are going to discuss the 3 types of preposition. That is the preposition of time, actually we are going to discuss today, which is going to be interesting and it is very easy also. So the 3 we are going to use are in, on and at. So is it puzzling? Okay, come, we'll now check what it is. So here they have given you preposition of time tells us when something happens. When it happens, that you are relating the noun with some thing, that is, so here we are using on, in and at. Okay, so now in the examples they have given you 2 sentences. I will go to the mall on Saturday. So dates and days of the week. So for Saturday, like days of the week, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Friday, like that. If it is the days of the week, we use on. On Saturday, I did this work on Saturday. I went for swimming on Friday. So I go to drawing class on Thursdays. Like that, when the days are calculated or when the days are mentioned, we use only on. And the next thing is also dates. For dates. Dates. So, like it's a birthday. My birthday is on 6th of November. Christmas is on 25th of December. So when you are going to mention the date, particular date with the month, so together will become a date. So it is on there also you get on. See here, check on Saturday, on 9th March. So this is the day of the week and this is date. For both we use on. And in, where all we use in. It is month, season and years, but it is for a long duration. That is long period. Say for example, a month means number of days make a month. So many days are there in a month. So it's a long period, we say. And season also, season will be for 2 or 3 months. Okay. just like I said, no, for mango, what is the season for mango? When will you get mangoes? What is the season? We say summer season. So in summer, when do you get mangoes? In summer, or in the month of April, May. We can say in April, in May, in the month of April, in the month of April, like that say. And years in 1965, in 1980, in 2000, in 2010, 2020, like that we used to say. So that is when you mention about the month. So month in March, in spring season, so I said for mangoes in summer, like that in spring. The garden is full of flowers in spring. In the spring season, the garden is full of flowers. I have my final exams in March. The first doll was sold in 1959 so this is year, season and month. So for all these three you get in. And finally at. When do you say at? It is when you mention a particular time, say 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m. 12 is exactly noon or midnight. We can't say 12 p.m. Okay. So 3 p.m., 3 a.m. like that if you say, it is at 6 p.m., at 3 a.m. like that we used to say. So it is at. And next, so shall we come to exercise? Yes, here you have one more small recap for days of the week and date we use on, whereas for the long period like month, year and season we use in. When particular time to be mentioned like 3 p.m., 7 a.m. like that, then we use at. So keep it in mind. And also here they have given you in the morning, in the afternoon, at breakfast, at night. So they have used, these are all the common used thing we are going to use. So now this movie was made, year 2009 is year, so we say in. Yes, it was released dash 31 December. Here date is given. So what we'll say? On. Yes. The train leaves 8:20 p.m. Time mentioned. Yes, it is at. My mother goes for a walk in the evening. Yes, her brother was born, when month is mentioned, was born in May. Yes, let us go for a picnic Saturday, day of the week on. Yes. The school reopens, date is mentioned 15th June. So on 15th June. They will put a play dash the school auditorium. They will put a play in the school auditorium. But this one, last one is the school auditorium is not, the time is not mentioned. It is something different. It is related to plays actually. So don't get confused. The last one is about the plays. So preposition comes for place, location, time, all that. But here now we are going to, we have seen only with time, but in the Grafalco grammar book you get with place also. Place, location is also given. So that we'll discuss later. Till this only you are going to practice today. For this, now I think you all will be okay with this, using of in, on and at. That is only preposition when we are relating a subject with some other thing like a place or like a time, or when place or time or anything like that, you are going to use preposition in between. When we are relating, we use preposition. Okay. So the movie is made in 2009. So movie and 2009. So we are relating when it is made in 2009. So it is saying about the time, stressing about the time. So it is the preposition The use preposition over here are in, on and at. Similarly, I have given you one exercise mark for you to do. I want you all to do it by your own and please do it in your English notebook. These are the clues given to you which you can use, and these are the clues which is given to you. So here you can use at, in, on with using the clues, and also which we have already finished, how it should be done, all those things. Okay, so I want you all to do it in your notebook and check your answers in the online session. Okay, thank you. That's all for today, children. Do the exercise and the preposition exercise given to you, practice exercise. Yes, we'll discuss the answers in the online session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.